Hey everyone, Dave Cook here with the mighty Daniel, and we are installing Amcork on an accent wall in an office. So it's kind of cool. It's technically a wall covering. We're almost done with it. You can kind of see it looks like almost like a marble, but it's definitely cork. Pretty thin. The instructions were pretty easy once we laid out the wall, kind of like a brick pattern. You can kind of see it. Measured our pieces, so we got our lines, scoring it with a utility blade. It breaks off really easy, and then gluing it with this fuzzit. That's what was on the instructions. That's what we've been doing. So what's your opinion, Daniel, of our Amcork?
I think it's definitely different from just working with the original wall covering wallpaper, but it goes into the aspect of it kind of being the same. You just apply some glue onto it and just stick it right on, making sure your tiles are nice and level, and yeah, check it out. It's smooth.
All right, we got questions about accent wall coverings, cork wall coverings, or grass cloth, or almost any other type of wall covering. Give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.